All right, so today we got some avocado, some blueberries, some strawberries, some protein mix. We're gonna blend it all up. Oh, dragon fruit too. I got dragon fruit in here, and we're gonna blend it all up and enjoy a nice, good smoothie. And there you have it, a nice, good smoothie. Healthy, nutritious, protein. Have a great day. Oh, a little tip, don't use ice in your smoothies. Just use frozen berries and a little water, some protein powder, and it's going to be very thick. Look at that, very thick. So you don't need ice, just use frozen berries. You know what most people don't realize is this right here. I spend a lot of time on the road, but this right here, adding this to my smoothies makes it sweet, and I could literally eat my smoothie for a dessert because it's so good. But check this out, only 1 gram of sugar, only 150 calories. It says to use 2 scoops. I only use 1 in my smoothies. That's all you need in your smoothie, so it's going to last a long time, and it's going to cut that pretty much in half because you're only using 1 instead of 2. And hey, it's great. So if you're making a smoothie, add this, and I guarantee you're going to love it. And if you're working out and you want that smoothie for your pre-workout, post-workout, whatever, there it is. It's delicious. I suggest everybody give it a try. Add it to your smoothie. All right, everybody, let's make another smoothie today. Today we're working with vanilla protein powder. This is all the water I put in there, if you're wanting to know. About right in here, somewhere out in there. That's all the water I use. I use frozen berries. So on the frozen berries, today I got vanilla protein, blueberries, avocado, pineapple, mango, papaya, coconut, and of course the water. So let's make this. Put it in there just like that. And all you're gonna do on this Ninja is push smoothie. All right, there you have it. There's your smoothie. I love this Ninja, by the way. It's awesome. It's got the presets, but hey, look at there. There's your smoothie right there. Look how thick and frozen that is. Look at all this stuff. Look at all the room on the bottom. That's awesome. Hey, it's great. Be good. Peace out. Be good human. Take care.